Hi everybody! Today I'm introducing an option for assisting you when opening the crane boom of the AK cranes and closing it back in its rest position. As you know, if the second boom cylinder is not well pressurized, it could fall down when it is upside down, colliding against the base of the crane column. Our rest assist option inhibits the first boom movement when the second boom is closed and it is not pressurized enough, so to avoid any risk of collision. In this situation, a yellow lamp turns on, remembering you to pressurize the second boom cylinder, pushing the third lever before completing the operation. Once that the second boom cylinder is pressurized, the yellow lamp turns off and you are allowed to perform the movement and complete the operation.